Heart attacks and deaths due to obesity have skyrocketed over the last 25 years. The CDC reports there's been a 180% increase in obesity-related heart disease deaths between 1999 and 2000. The biggest increases are among middle-aged men, Black adults, people who live in the Midwest, and those who live in rural America. According to the Georgia Department of Public Health, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death here in Georgia, accounting for more than 28,000 deaths a year. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking, those are key risk factors for heart disease. About half of all Americans have at least one of these three risk factors.